Are moving in, and it's happening rather quick. Tashara, flood, hail threat, and strong wind threat. Let's go ahead and get right to it. We have that severe thunderstorm watch in place until 11. It does include the Metroplex and areas to the south. I think a few counties along our Red River might get left out of the watch here as we get closer to about 7 or 8. So we'll be watching that. But right now, that's where it's most active along the Red River, moving into areas of Denton and Wise County. Severe thunderstorm warning now in place until 6. This does include a very small portion of Cook County, but it's mostly for Denton, Parker, and Wise County, and that's because of a few hail cores that I'm seeing right now. I haven't seen any reports out there just yet, but of course the sun's not up yet, but I do see a hail core right over Decatur. We could be seeing quarter-size hail or larger there, and I do see another hail core on the northern side of Denton County. All of this moving to the southeast, by the way, at about 25 miles per hour, so you might get woken up by the strong winds first, the heavy rain, and then that's when the hail comes in. So right now it does look like the timing as you head to Roanoke about 5:47, Azle 5:53, Flower Mound at 5:57, and if this holds together, Little Elm around 6:01, Grapevine 6:09, the Colony 6:13. So here's what you need to know. Between now and noon, these storms are going to continue to roll south into the Metroplex. Hail, strong winds, and a flood threat. That's what I'll be watching for here the next few hours. Between noon and about 6, it'll be pretty quiet. It'll be cloudy, it'll be warm, it'll be humid. After 6, we have a strong line of thunderstorms moving in from the west. This is going to then pose a large hail threat, strong wind threat with a low tornado risk. Right now, we do have an enhanced risk for severe weather that includes DFW, and that is for today and for tonight, up to golf ball size hail possible, as well as a 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, and like I mentioned, that low tornado threat as well. Here's how radar will shape up here in the next couple of hours. Between now and 7, this cluster of storms continues to move towards the southeast to include Dallas County, to include Kaufman, Rockwall County. This will continue to push towards the east, eventually southeast of DFW by 9. And then by around noon, I am expecting still to see some activity on radar, but I think that a lot of it is going to be shifting and to the east and really starting to lower in intensity. Like I said, between noon and about 6, we're looking just cloudy, quiet, warm. After 6, and this is actually showing you at 8 in the evening, we have that line of showers and thunderstorms that moves in from the west. We'll be able to track this in because it develops well out to the west, so there is some good news there. Between about 8 and midnight, we'll see these storms arriving across the I-35 corridor counties, including the Metroplex. Again, that's around midnight. Between midnight to about 5, 6 in the morning, we see those storms then pushing along our eastern counties. We'll see some remnants of this by around sunrise tomorrow, but I think a lot of this activity is going to start to be winding down by then. Right now, it's warm, it's cloudy, 79 degrees, but it feels like 83 when you factor in that humidity, a southeast wind at about 5 to 10. And today's outdoor planner, it's not looking great. We are going to be rather busy here between now and noon, so we'll see quite a bit of activity on radar. So if you can stay home, avoid the roads, I totally would. But in the afternoon, we're going to see a bit more quiet conditions. Rain coverage will be lower. But unfortunately, I am tracking rain chances every day, at least through the weekend. We could see rain totals of 2 to 4 inches of rain. I'll show you that map in the next 30 minutes, Tashara.